Welcome to Hustle Hub, the ultimate hub for hustlers, creators, and go-getters who want to escape the 9-5 and build real passive income streams online. Everyone loves the idea of passive income. Making money while you sleep, traveling the world, or sitting on a beach while your bank account grows. But here's the truth no one talks about. Passive income almost always starts active. Let me tell you a story. There was a guy named Daniel. He hated his job, felt stuck in the grind, and kept seeing ads about easy money online. Affiliate links, dropshipping, YouTube automation. Set it and forget it, they said. Daniel believed it. So he jumped in. He bought courses, built websites, tried 10 different side hustles, but within a few months, every project collapsed. No traffic, no sales, no income. He was broke, frustrated, and ready to quit. Here's the twist. One night, Daniel stumbled on a video where a successful entrepreneur explained the truth. Passive income is real, but only after you put in massive active work. Build systems, create products, set up automation, and then it pays you forever. But the start isn't passive at all. Daniel shifted his mindset. Instead of chasing quick hacks, he focused on one boring, repeatable system: digital templates. He built them, marketed them, and sold them on autopilot. And soon, while sitting on the same couch where he once felt like a failure, Daniel made his first $10,000 in passive income. Not overnight, not instantly, but through systems he built piece by piece. That's the real secret. Passive income isn't magic. It's hard work up front so you can buy freedom later. So ask yourself, are you chasing shortcuts, or are you willing to build systems that pay you forever? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you're ready to hustle smarter, not harder, hit that like button, subscribe, and join Hustle Hub, where we give you the strategies that actually work in 2025.